Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 20th of December, 2023. The market went from new highs to a steep fall within hours, as the benchmarks wiped out the morning gains to close near the day's low on December 20th on widespread selling. At close, the Sensex was down 930.88 points, or 1.3%, at 70,506.31, and the Nifty was down 302.90 points, or 1.41%, at 21,150.20. The biggest Nifty losers included Adani Ports, Adani Enterprises, UPL, Tata Steel and Coal India, while the gainers were ONGC, Tata Consumer Products, Britannia Industries and HDFC Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Nippon India Life Mutual Fund traded in the green on December 20th, following news of a Rs 726 crore block deal. IndusInd Bank was the likely seller of 1.78 crore shares, or 2.86% equity stake, in the company, reported CNBC TV or 18. The deal was done at a floor price of 427 rupees. Over the last 5 years, the stock price has doubled, giving investors multi-bagger returns. After the news of the deal, Nippon AMC zoomed over 9% to hit a 52-week high of 489 rupees early on December 20th. By midday, the stock was trading at 475.65 rupees. The shares of Oil India surged 20% to reach a new peak of 406 rupees intraday. ONGC zoomed 5% to 212 rupees per share, that marks its highest level since 2018. The cut in windfall profit tax aided the positive market sentiment. The tax, previously in the form of special additional excise duty, has been slashed from 5,000 rupees to 1,300 rupees per ton for domestically produced crude oil, as per a notification. Shares of Tips Industries Limited fell over 6% on December 20th, after a huge block deal recorded around 7.8 million shares or 6% stake of the company changing hands, according to Bloomberg. For the September quarter, the company posted a 23% increase in revenue, reaching 60.9 rupees crore, with a 91% surge in net profit to 39.7 rupees crore year-on-year for Q2 financial year 2024. VARUN Beverages share price gained 15% to hit a 52-week high of 1,380.45 rupees in the early trade on December 20th, after the company announced the acquisition of South Africa-based beverage company, along with its wholly owned subsidiaries. Board of Directors at their meeting held on December 20th approved to acquire 100% stake in the business conducted by the beverage company, Proprietary Limited, South Africa, along with its wholly owned subsidiaries, BevCo, with an option to accept minority co-investment from large equity funds subject to regulatory and other approvals, if any, including but not limited to PepsiCo Incorporated and Competition Commission South Africa, the company said in a release. Shares of Embassy Office Parks REIT slumped nearly 5% in opening trade on December 20th, after a Rs 7,148 crore block deal. According to CNBC TV 18, around 22.36 crore shares, making up a 23.6% stake in Embassy Office Parks REIT, changed hands on the exchanges at a floor price of 319.65 rupees. The block deal also triggered a spike in volumes in the counter as 23 crore shares changed hands on the bourses so far, manifolds the one-month daily traded average of 9 lakh shares. MEP Infrastructure Developers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 15.35 points with a change of 19.92% and is trading with a net volume of around 13.21 per million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 13.03, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.91. SAL Steel Limited in daily time frame is trading around 26.60 points with a change of 16.16% and is trading with a net volume of around 10.456 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 21.14, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 85.06. Capital Trust Limited in daily time frame is trading around 113.15 points with a change of 15.4% and is trading with a net volume of around 906.137 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 101.74, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 71.06. For the stock recommendation we have, HDFC Bank Limited looks good and can be bought at 1,658 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 1,630 rupees and a target of 1,698 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.